This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Powell. Super nice home in sought-after Hosiers Oaks. Improvements and updates include HVAC full replacement including duct work 2012, replacement windows and sliding door and garage door 2011. Roof replaced with Timberline stain guard HD shingles, vinyl wrap soffits and gutters installed 2012, hot water heater replaced 2016, all appliances convey, including brand new dishwasher. Bose surround sound system to convey. Enjoy the rear deck overlooking backyard with full privacy fence and storage barn with loft. Homes rarely come on the market in this tight-knit, tucked-away community with no HOA fees. For more information, review the details below.